In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a conversation on Otter.ai, a great tool for transcribing meetings and making collaboration much easier. Whether you're working with colleagues, partners, or clients, sharing transcriptions can ensure everyone's on the same page without missing any crucial details. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Otter.ai website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL or simply searching for Otter.ai. Once there, you'll notice the login option located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on this to proceed to the login page. After you've clicked on the login prompt, enter your credentials to access your Otter.ai account. This step is important to ensure all your recorded meetings and conversations are readily available for you to manage and share. Upon logging in, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard. Here, you should locate and select the specific conversation or meeting that you wish to share. This might take a moment if you have numerous recordings, so make use of the search function if you need to. Once you've identified the correct conversation, click on it to open up additional details and options. You should now be viewing the transcript of your selected meeting. This is where Otter.ai shines, presenting the spoken word in an easily readable format. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the share button. Clicking this will open up various sharing options tailored for different needs. When it comes to sharing, Otter.ai provides you with a couple of convenient options. You can invite specific people by entering their email addresses, allowing access directly to those you specify. This method is perfect if you're coordinating with a small team or client base and need to ensure confidentiality. Alternatively, if you prefer a broader approach, you can create a shareable link. This link can be easily copied and then pasted into an email, a chat, or wherever your audience is. It's an efficient way to provide access quickly and without restricting the share to email invites alone. Regardless of the method you choose, ensure you've set the appropriate permissions to control how recipients can interact with the shared content. Whether you're sharing to collaborate or simply inform, setting the right access level is key to maintaining the appropriate level of control over your content. And there you have it. Sharing conversations on Otter.ai is straightforward and provides flexibility depending on your needs. Thank you for tuning in today, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials on how to get the most out of your digital tools.